Namaste, I am Manjula and welcome to Manjula's Kitchen. As pakoras are one of the most welcoming snack all over India, I wanted to make it little different pakoras than it is traditionally made. I will be making zucchini lentil pakora. For these pakora, instead of using traditional besan batter, I am using lentil batter spiced with ginger. These pakoras are also vegan and gluten free. This recipe will serve 4. To make zucchini lentil pakoras, we will need 1 cup of red lentils. This is a washed masoor dal. I have already soaked this for about an hour. You do have to soak this dal for an hour or more, and after soaking, as you see, it has become more than 2 times in volume. 1 medium sized zucchini, and I have cut into the thick rounds. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro, pinch of baking soda, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. So to make the batter, first blend the lentil. So blend the lentil to a smooth batter and use as little water as possible. Just use enough what you need to blend it. Batter is ready. As you see, it is very smooth. So now I will take this out in a bowl. So first I am going to add the cornstarch, salt, red chili powder and baking soda. Mix it well. So all the ingredients are mixed, but then just whip it for a few seconds. Now add the ginger, green chilies and cilantro. So batter is looking little thick, so I will add few spoons of water. See, it's very thick. The consistency of batter should be like a pancake mix. So this looks just right. So I have added 1 tablespoon of water, and I added about 2 tablespoons of water when I was blending the dal, the lentils. Okay. So I am ready to make the pakoras, but first I will just pat dry the zucchini. So I am ready to fry the pakoras. Heat is on medium high. Frying pan should have at least 1 inch of oil. To test the oil if it is ready, just put 1 drop of batter. It should sizzle, come up slowly, but it should not change the color. If it changes the color, oil is too hot and pakoras will not be crispy. So now just make sure zucchini is covered all around and drop it one at a time. Don't overcrowd it. So it has been about 1 minute and all the pakoras are frying on the top, and so it's time to turn them over. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Both sides pakoras should be golden brown, and you do have to turn 3 to 4 times. The pakoras are looking good. Nice color, golden brown, both sides. So just take them out. The pakoras are looking good. So I have some more batter left. You can use this batter to make pakoras with potatoes or cauliflower. But I like to make just plain pakoras, and I think they both go side by side really good. So just drop about 1 tablespoon of batter. Pakoras are really looking good, and just see how nice colors they have. They are still looking crispy even without trying. The crispy and delicious pakoras are ready to serve. I like to serve these both pakoras side by side. I think they complement each other. Serve lentil pakoras with your choice of dip or chutney. My favorite is taking 1 tablespoon mint chutney and mixing with 1/4 cup of yogurt. You can check the recipe for mint chutney on my website. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to click on bell icon to receive future recipes. If you like the recipe, leave a comment and please share on social media. Thank you.